Before we begin, you can read all of the things that Dr. Walter Longo has written in his book and outlined in the longevity diet. I highly recommend you read it because it's just going to really enrich your fasting experience on a whole different level. It also has tons of information on very specific chronic diseases, if that is unfortunately where you are at. But the amazing thing is there's a lot of hope. There's a lot of hope to very well manage that chronic disease alongside conventional therapies and all of the rest. So continue working very closely with your medical teams and pick up this book. If you are taking any prescription medication, you must work with a professional. Okay, so I want you to promise me that. That is so critically important. And if you have read this book, you will know, in particular, if you're taking insulin, if you're a type 2 diabetic, and you go into a fasting state and you are not working with a professional, it could lead to fatal outcomes. This is literally what Dr. Walter Longo says in his book. So don't mess around with it. Don't mess something up metabolically and put yourself in a worse off situation, okay? Just work with your professionals if you're taking prescription medications.